Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class, I will be explaining about how to implement XNOR gate using NOR gate. Okay, let us start the class. Let us see first what is the symbol of XNOR gate. XNOR gate's logic symbol is this one. The inputs are A and B. Output is Y. The logical expression for XNOR is A XNOR B, which is written as AB plus A bar B bar. This is the expression of XNOR gate. Either we can use this one or the elaborated one, both are same. We have to implement XNOR gate using NOR gate. The symbol of NOR gate is, this is XNOR gate. NOR gate is this one. The inputs are A and B, output is Y. This is a NOR gate. Coming to its expression, it is A plus B the whole bar. We have to implement this XNOR gate using NOR gate. For this you have to remember De Morgan's theorem. There are two De Morgan's theorem, one is for NAND gate, another is for NOR gate. The NOR gate expression you have to remember, De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay, what it is saying? NOR gate, inputs are A and B, this will come as A plus B the whole bar. The NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. Bubbled AND gate. The inputs here are A and B. So here you will get A bar dot B bar. So this one equation you have to use while solving XNOR for NOR gate. NOR gate is replaced by bubbled AND gate. Okay. So let us draw the elaborative first step. You have understood to draw the logical symbol of XNOR gate. Second step is, the expression of XNOR is AB plus A bar B bar. You have to draw this circuit using AND, OR and NOT gates. The inputs here are A and B. Inputs are A and B. Give it to AND gate to get AB. You have to get this term now, A bar B bar. So darken this point, take from A, give it to NOT gate to get A bar. Similarly, take from B, give it to a NOT gate to get B bar. Give it to an AND gate to get A bar dot B bar. You got the term AB, you got A bar B bar. Now you have to place it. Place means OR gate you have to give them to an OR gate. Like this. So what is the term coming here? A bar and here B bar. So here you will get Y is equal to AB plus A bar B bar. This is the second step. Coming to third step of conversion. Here bubbled AND gate, De Morgan's theorem is bubbled AND gate is equal to NOR gate. You have to replace this diagram by NOR gate. So you have to change this AND gate to a bubbled AND gate. How can you do that? By putting NOT gate here. So place NOT gate and put one bubble here. So the bubble is also nothing but a NOT gate. So from A you have placed two NOT gates. Two NOT gate means A, suppose if you are using two NOT gates or NOT gate with a bubble, both are same. If you are giving A here, you will get A bar, again passing through the NOT gate you will get A. So, you are getting the same term. If you are giving A, after passing through NOT gate it will get A bar, after passing through bubble it will come as A. So, if you place cascading two NOT gates or NOT gate with a bubble means it is same one line, A is passing through it. Okay. So, for B, put a NOT gate and a bubble, give it to the first AND gate, this AND gate. So, what I am going to get here? These two are going to get nullified. So, here you will get A, here you will get B. Why we are doing all this? To change this AND gate to bubbled AND gate. So, here we will get A, B. Now, you want A bar, B bar. Okay. So, our intention is to change this AND gate to bubbled AND gate. So, this NOT gate will act as bubble to it. Take A and this is B. So, here this NOT gate I have replaced by a bubble here. Okay. Why? Because bubbled AND gate is equal to NOR gate, A bar, B bar. Now, you have to give it to an OR gate. You have given it to an OR gate, but we have to replace this OR gate by a NOR gate. So, place one bubble and put one NOT gate before it. So, this bubble effect is cancelled by this NOT gate. So, you will get Y. And what is NOT gate in NOR gate? When both the terminals of NOR gate are connected together like this, it is equal to NOT gate. Yes or no? So, here this NOT gate can be replaced by this NOR gate symbol. So, next step is this bubbled AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. These two will be replaced by NOR gate, and here you are having one NOT gate. Here this NOT gates will be replaced by this NOR gate. So, replace it. You are having input, give it to NOR gate. So, this is first NOT gate. Okay. This is second NOT gate using NOR gate, and then given to this NAND gate. And what is bubbled AND gate? Bubbled AND gate is equal to NOR gate by De Morgan's theorem. So, you are replacing it by a NOR gate. This is input A, this is input B. Okay. So, here we are taking A, replace this bubbled AND gate by a NOR gate. Like this, and then give it to a NOR gate. And replace this NOT gate by a NOR gate like this. Okay. So, here the expression of Y is coming to be as AB plus A bar B bar. Yes. So, in this way we can convert XNOR gate using NOR gates. Okay. So, let us quickly summarize the result. This is the XNOR symbol, and then we have drawn a circuit using this expression, and then we have used NOT gate and bubble, NOT gate and bubble, and replaced the bubbled AND gate by a NOR gate. I have replaced bubbled OR gate with a NOR gates, and NOT gate is replaced by this NOT gates of NOR. Okay. So, this is a final diagram of XNOR gate using NOR gates. I hope the class is clear. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you.